Hello, ma'am and sir. Have a good day. My name is Rosie Brown. Bye-bye, Santo Tomas La Union. I am 30 years old. I am married. I have two children, 3 years old and 1 year old. I am Roman Catholic. And I finished for my vocational course, International Cookery, and Marikina Polytechnic College. I have also work experience in Kuwait for 2 years. I serve for four members in the family, mom and sir, and their two kids, 5 years old and 20 years old. I can do household chores like cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, and laundry, and taking care of the children. To my future employers, mom and sir, please hire me for as your domestic helper because I can do everything. I am loyal and trustworthy and hardworking person. I promise I will do my very best to work with you and to your family. Thank you, Mami Sir.